Diolch am ymuno â ni ar gyfer ein diwrnod agored rythwyr. Throughout this session, we would like to give you an insight on what it is a traineeship. At the beginning of this year, Alicia started her learning journey on the Traineeships engagement program and has since progressed onto Traineeships level 1. Alicia is now looking for a work placement.
We are offering a traineeship for young people in Wales, anywhere from the age of 16 through to 18. It'll help develop employability skills and give them the skills that they need to go on and search for work. Ultimately, this is getting you ready to go to work or to move on to higher level learning.
Usually I keep to myself and I'm quite introverted, but since I've joined Centre, I just feel so much more relaxed and I feel like I can talk to anyone in Centre about anything and I could trust them. I think for the moment, I'm just going to stay in Centre, improve a little bit more on some skills that I might not be that good at. And then with placements, I was considering maybe working with children or hairdressing, something like that.
Rili da I bod ei hyder hi wedi codi trwy gwneud y rhaglen yma a di progresio hefyd o'r engagement I level 1.
Yeah, when the first week you start the traineeship, it's £30. And then from the week after, it's 40 during engagement. And then when you go up to level 1, you get 50.
Right, okay.
But while you're engagement, the £30 is the normal pay. And then the extra £10 is a bonus for going in all week.
We do it on a 28-day rolling sort of review period. They get the 2 days a month holiday, which are paid.
A few weeks ago, I completed an employability qualification.
Right.
And this week on Monday, I've just started a vocational studies.
They'll do a basic sort of taster, go and make sure this is what you want to do. So we give them the opportunity to go and have a look at it, go and spend a couple of days in your placement, then they'll start working towards the qualifications that they want to basically move into.
I think it's vitally important, you know, the trainees and the apprentices, when they finish, you know, they have to have somewhere to go to.
If there are positions that become available, then the learners can obviously apply for them or be considered for them in the future.
You can find out more about traineeships by calling Working Wales free on 0800 028 48 44 or visit workingwales.gov.wales.
And don't forget, apprenticeships are the natural progression from a traineeship.